The unforeseen limits of AI scaling. Why bigger isn't always better. The unforeseen limits of AI scaling. Why bigger isn't always better. The current race to build increasingly powerful AI systems is driven by the assumption that more data, more computing power, and therefore larger algorithms will invariably lead to substantial improvements in AI capabilities. However, a growing body of research and emerging trends suggest this assumption may be flawed, and the industry's obsession with scaling could lead to unexpected challenges. The myth of perpetual improvement, the widespread belief that larger AI models will consistently demonstrate better performance, stems from the observed success of scaling in the past. Early advancements in areas like image recognition and natural language processing were indeed propelled by the ability to train massive models on huge datasets. This led to a narrative and a business model centered around scaling. However, recent findings indicate diminishing returns and unexpected degradation in AI performance as models grow. This phenomenon, sometimes referred to as brain rot, highlights that simply increasing the size of an AI doesn't guarantee enhanced abilities. Feeding models low-quality, high-engagement content, such as frequently found on social media, can actually reduce their cognitive skills. The reality of brain rot and data quality. The impact of data quality is a crucial and often overlooked factor in AI development. The rapid rise of AI models like ByteDance's Dubao demonstrates that a user-friendly design and engaging experience can often outweigh raw computational power. In the case of Dubao, its accessibility and ease of use contributed to its popularity, surpassing even more advanced models like DeepSeek. This underscores the importance of prioritizing user experience and practical application over solely pursuing computational scale. Furthermore, the trend of feeding models data optimized for engagement, rather than accuracy or depth, leads to a degradation of their ability to reason and solve complex problems. This is analogous to how humans can become less intelligent when constantly exposed to shallow, sensationalized content. Alternative approaches to AI advancement. The limitations of simply scaling AI models are prompting exploration of alternative approaches. Open source collaboration. Recognizing the US's potential lag in open source AI models, startups are advocating for democratization of AI by allowing anyone to run reinforcement learning. This fosters collaborative innovation and prevents a few dominant players from controlling the technology's development. Focus on architectural innovation. Instead of blindly pursuing larger models, researchers are exploring novel architectures that can achieve better performance with fewer parameters. XtraPic, for instance, is developing chips designed to efficiently process probabilities, potentially challenging the dominance of traditional silicon-based processors from companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Reconsidering AI's role. As highlighted by AI agent benchmarks, current AI systems still fall far short of human-level capabilities in automating economically valuable tasks. This necessitates a more realistic assessment of AI's potential and a focus on areas where it can augment, rather than replace, human intelligence. The long-term implications and the enshittification trap. The escalating costs of training and deploying increasingly large AI models raises concerns about long-term sustainability and accessibility. Additionally, the pursuit of profit and power could lead AI platforms to fall into the enshittification trap, a theory suggesting that platforms initially beneficial to users gradually degrade their quality to maximize profits, ultimately harming both users and the platform itself. The need for ethical guidelines and robust regulatory frameworks is becoming increasingly critical to prevent such a scenario. In conclusion, while scaling AI models has undoubtedly driven significant progress, the evidence suggests that the industry's relentless pursuit of size alone is unsustainable and potentially counterproductive. Focusing on data quality, fostering open-source collaboration, and exploring architectural innovations are crucial for unlocking the true potential of AI and avoiding the looming consequences of a scaled-up bubble. It's time to shift the conversation beyond bigger is better and towards a more thoughtful, sustainable approach to AI development.